sometimes they use them interchangeable. So could you please explain these terms?
Tell me the terms.
So that I can
Tell me the terms again.
methodology, method, and design. I know that design including that data collection, data processing, and reporting operation. But what about the method and methodology? Could you please explain or distinguish clearly those terms so that it would help me not confuse when I read research book in English.
Don't forget. Oh. Working?
You can use it.
Is it working? No.
Turn it on.
Oh. This is really a hard question because I don't think it has an answer. If I gave you an answer and then you bring 4 books in here and lay them in front of me, 4 books are probably going to use the words differently. I mean, that's one of the challenges of working in the English language. I'm sure it's the same challenge working in the Vietnamese language. But I could tell you how I probably feel about it, but my feelings about it would not solve your problem. When you, for yourself, you have to figure out in any context. And I know that this is not a good answer because you want to tell your students some clear black and white answer, but I don't think there is any black and white answer. To me, I call design, I restrict design to that area where we define the logistics of the activities that we are going to do to create the evidence. So that includes designing an experiment, designing a quasi-experiment, designing a survey, designing all the logistics of participant observation, field research, all of those different types of designs and how they might be used and the requirements. Because when we actually do it, we are very specific about what we're doing because we have this goal. If it's a big legitimate project, we have this goal that it would be replicated. So if I find something in Fullerton, maybe someone wants to do the same thing here in Canada, and they have to know exactly what I did. What? Oh, then you? Oh, okay. Research methodology I take as being the broader word that refers to everything that I've talked about. Everything from the first part of defining the question all the way to the end. I take it as the bigger. Many people probably would exclude from research methodology statistics. They probably wouldn't cover that. But for the things I do here, I do the whole thing. Research methods, that's all the little tools. But see, those are just measuring instruments, survey, interview form, interview schedule, randomization. How do you randomize? How do you randomly sample? All of those tools would be the methods. Each one of those is the tool that you might use in a different particular thing. So that's to me the more detailed of the words. So it's the tools, the design a little broader in terms of size, and then research methodology being the broadest.
Thank you. Can I say it in Vietnamese first?
Yes.
Thưa quý thầy cô, thì trong quá trình mình hướng dẫn sinh viên nó làm tiểu luận và luận văn tốt nghiệp á, thì các em nó cũng có hỏi nhiều câu hỏi. Một trong những cái câu hỏi mà các em nó hỏi là cái câu hỏi nghiên cứu của em đó cô, thì em có được quyền viết nó theo kiểu là câu hỏi yes no hay là không. hay là em phải bắt buộc phải viết nó thành một cái câu hỏi bắt đầu bằng chữ what, hay là em phải viết cái câu hỏi bằng là to what extent, hoặc là em bắt đầu bằng một câu hỏi how gì đó. Thì cũng có nhiều cách trả lời, thì mỗi giáo viên có những cách trả lời riêng. Hôm nay nhân dịp mình học cái buổi tập huấn này có chuyên gia ở đây thì học xin phép được hỏi thầy cái câu hỏi như vậy để coi thầy trả lời với chúng ta làm sao, có gì mình bắt chước mình trả lời.
We are teachers, and one of the tasks we do is supervising thesis and students' theses. And most of the time, students ask questions like this. How can I formulate the research questions for my study? Is it okay if I have a question, a yes/no question? Is it okay if I have a how question? Is it okay if I have a to what extent question? Is it okay if I have a what questions? So different teachers may have different answers to the students, their own students. And on this occasion, we would like to hear from your experience. How would you answer those questions to the university students who are doing their BA and their bachelor thesis?
Okay, I would like to add.